2, 1.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Wait, they have mod charts? Shit. What the heck? I died. Yeah, see, Crucify. This is the song everyone knows. Is this where it originates? Whoa, warning. The song has some special effects, include small brief patterns of flashlight. Okay. Yo, this is a bop. This sounds amazing. Yo, I love the, what's it called? Choir? Yeah, sounds amazing. Ooh, black and... Where have I heard this? Oh, God. Is this a Hatsune Miku song? No, wait. No, this is Bad Apple. Oh, my God. It's Bad Apple. This is hilarious. Hey, this is Strike Breaker Waves, and today I'll be continuing my mod list. Let's see what we got. I just finished versus Void. Let's see. Frenzy. I don't even know what Frenzy is. Let's play it.
Oh god, this seems like kind of a big one.
Hey, versus Frenzy. Where's the Friday Night Funkin' Fever? Run.
Aw, man.
Huh.
I'm back on my bow again, huh? Hold, let me record this. Caesar, is this a... Yeah, I got... Okay, cool.
What?
Hey. Fever, hit you with that 1-2 stealer. Right on the fever. Get on this right side. Or if not, he gon' hit you with the fever. Do you know that's right?
I'm really just trying to listen to this. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. This is like... Oh, whoops. This is like high quality. Damn. Hold on. When was this made? 2 years ago. Controls. D, F, J, K. I'm just gonna go straight into story mode. What? The original Friday Night Funkin' Fever experience featuring week 1 through 6. It states all the brand new weeks featured in the Frenzy update. Oh god. I'll go with... Hold on, what's in Frenzy? Okay, it just got 2 weeks, so I'll do classic. Yeah. Wow, this is so good. Wait, where's week 1? Week 1. Wow, normal and easy. Oh, there's no hard. Really? Wait, hold on. There's no hard. Okay, normal is. Nice job. You haven't lost your touch, it seems. Sweet. I still got it. I'm surprised my vocal cords can keep up. I've been kind of straining them in the past. Yeah, I'd say that was really cute. Huh, you heard that too, right? What does it look like I'm doing? I'm doing my insurrection to usurp your position as my Fever Town, obviously. What? As Mayor of Fever Town, obviously. Like I'd ever let you do that. Psst, pass the tea. What the frig did he just say? I think he says he wants the title as Mayor of Fever Town. That's stupid. Why would I ever give it to you of all people? Well, that's just the rule here. That you'll see you need to accept any and all challenges related to your title. That's a stupid rule. Who came up with that crap? You did, dummy. Oh, yeah. I need to stop drinking while I come up with laws. That's not good. But that's beside the point. How'd you even get in here? Through the same hall I used to peep. So that's where the roaches are coming from. We have roaches? They're kind of cute, actually. Whatever. Back to you. Where'd you even gain from trying something like this? You're too laid back to even handle a position like mine. Unlike you, I'm a furry. What? He's not wrong. Besides, things are way too boring. This place needs some chaos. I already knew the perfect smear to my campaign already. You've been only here for like a month. People will surely begin to understand that we'll have more fun when I'm ruling over. I think this suit fits me a lot better than it ever would. Don't you agree? Just look how silly you are. Doesn't looking in the mirror hurt? Identity theft won't help your image, you know. Babe. Whatever. He copied my style and made fun of it. And for that, they'll have to learn who's in charge around here. They also gave me a headache. I could keep going if you want. Let me give me that mic and hurry.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Wait, they have mod charts? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Wait, what? Shit. What the heck? Okay, this is a dude. I was wondering if it was a dude or not, but yeah, it's a dude. Thanks for those nuts. I died.
3, 2, 1.
Dude, I died. Okay, get the beat. What the hell, Leonte? Like, can I not hit those? Hold on, one of my things is messed up. Okay, I think my keybinds were just messed up. Let me see if I fixed it. This looks awesome. I love mod charts. That's better. Friggin' I messed up my keybinds when I was putting them in. I can hit this. Though oh. Okay. Even though the difficulty said normal, it's not normal. Okay. Okay, this is when he goes in, eh? Oh, with mod charts. Okay. Bro, can't even go up against me. Nice. What's happening? Should they be singing? Okay. Hey, you're a lot more fun to play with than I thought you'd be, but I think it's time to get a bit more serious. Can you please just leave? Gotta say, there's something about harmonizing with you instead of other people. Most people would have ran by now. But this is my house. But here you are, allowing me to play these games with you. Although, you're a whole work to vibe, but super boring. Don't you ever get bored of it? Sometimes, but T here keeps me busy. You're lame. Oh, you know what him and T are doing? Oh, I know. You've been spying. I know. I've been spying on you too. Oh shoot! Yeah, I was right. You've been revealed. Huh? Well, obviously I need some pics if I want to blackmail you two. Shoot, something dirty, eh? That is crazy. You creep. Ha ha ha. I hear that a lot. Bruh. God, T. Start the next song. You guys don't know how much I'm loving your experience right now. Let's see if I can get some more out of you.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. have a gun. Why am I not shooting him, dude? Oh, shoot. Okay, that kind of threw me off guard. Okay, okay. A little bit of movement. I feel like it's a build-up. Okay. We're good. Yo, I see how you're looking at me, T. Simple. Switching from both costumes just throw me off a bit, just a little bit. That's the most fun I had in a long time, especially compared to my days at the lab. Lab? Psh, a lab is a type of dog. They're cute four-legged creatures that run around and wag their tails. Oh, I think we have those back in my planet too. Truth be told, I didn't even care about being mayor of this boring-ass town. I was just bored. I mean, you entertained me well enough. Annoying. Eh? What makes you think I have time for your crap? You peep and invade my privacy, and you don't know how to shut the hell up. And worst of all, you got me pissed off. I'll call the cops on you if there were police in Fever Town. Just get the heck out, leave, go away. Whoa, Fever, maybe we should just... What the? Too much, I can't take it anymore? You're so cruel, treat me like this, Fever. Oh, what the heck is wrong with him? Did he stub his toe or something? Your insults are so violent, sweet Fever. I can feel the disgust both in both of your eyes burning black hole into me. And you're a demon too, so it hurts even more. What is with people bringing up race on this planet? I think I might go crazy. Please be even more mean and insult me, the lowly trash that I am. Excuse me, you're gonna do something like this in front of me? Yeah, I'm not doing anything like that with you. That's just weird. Oh, I'm not into it all, Fever. I just really like the idea of being belittled. Oh. Oh. Yeah, okay, it was fine, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
Oh god, now I got... Oh, the sprites are even weirder. Okay, oh shoot, you want me to be a little you? You're kind of going crazy. Oh man, that up sprite, bro. Shoot, this has got a serious vibe going. Yo, she knows how. They know how to sing, bro. Damn it, I missed because I was looking at my streak. Yo, you're still going. Calm down. Oh, where'd the notes go? I gotta stare at this weird-ass sprite. I guess they're turned on. Thanks to the beatdown. Really needed that. I think you should leave. Oh, by the way, if you really fight well. It's a dirty type of style, but I sense the feeling that you had for tea. I sensed the feeling that you had for tea in every note. What? It's a dirty type of style. I sense the feeling that you had for tea in every note. And even if you did beat me, that's still way hotter than you'll ever be. Okay. T. You're really lucky to have Fever by your side. I can only hope that I'll have someone like that cares for me the way he does. And if they betray me, I'll kill them and take their identity just like I did with the last person that made a mistake for trusting. Get out already. Fine, I bid you adieu. Until next time, Beaver. Seriously, is everyone on Earth an idiot? I know, right? I know, right? I had a good thing not to... I'm not like that. I said right, babe. Let's go to bed. Okay. Week 2.
I'm back on my bull again.
Oh my god, it's her. Easy minus? What? There's...
Caesar, is this a... Yeah, I got... Okay, cool.
Minus? What's the difference?
Let's
do normal. So, is there some reason why we're in standby shady part of town? Isn't every part shady? Anyway, there's been a word of a monster lurking here. This part of the town hasn't been renovated, so it's still a bit abandoned. Luckily, there's no such thing as monsters, so I'm assuming that it's just some silly rumor. You do realize I'm from space, right? And you yourself are a demon, which, in fact, we had a last encounter with a shapeshifter, which is a monster. Your point? Never mind. Let's get this over with. You do know, you sure this is the building, right? Can't say for sure, but everyone on this side of town looks like the goddamn same here. Is there a light switch? Can you summon some cool demon fire or something? The only fire I can summon is from my love for you. I don't know, it's probably not as hot as actual fire. I could prove it. The only thing burning here is your flirting. Did someone say fire? It's just a real cat. What's up? Oh, hey, you live here? Yeah, I do. Why, you here to be out? Nah, not like that. We're just looking for a monster. Hey, I don't know you. Oh, shoot. Oh, do I know you? Oh, shoot, T. I was just wondering if you were actually in this town or not. Oh, you know the cat? Yeah, we used to hang out a long time ago at a different planet. You sure? You sure? So you're the guy dating T? You seem okay. Cool. Well, if I were to guess, whoever made this report must have mistaken we for a monster or something. Makes sense. Nothing weirder than a talking cat. A monster? I have seen something like that around here. But hey, is that a microphone? I already see where this is going. I don't know, I'm kind of in schedule here. I'm afraid I'm gonna beat you. Afraid I'm gonna beat you in front of your girl? Oh no. Now you said too much. I'm about to send you back to the pound town. Come on, T, I'll show you how strong my flow is. Bruh.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this guy's got a strong scroll speed. Well, did I destroy you? I totally did. Did not embarrass myself. Oh, frig! Oh my god. Really? Oh wait, I did miss. Okay, I thought I just embarrassed myself, but I didn't. We're good. We're good. Oh, that was a close one. That's all you got. Ignore that last part. Will you be quiet? Just let everyone know we're here while we're at it. Oh, oops, I guess I was getting into it. You got some pretty great flow. I guess that's all we could do for now. Oh, sure, that was fun. I guess just one more, though. You haven't changed over the years, huh? Doing another would tire me out. I'm really feeling like a nap, honestly. Oh, okay, then. I guess we should leave? Sorry, I'm not used to this. Yeah, it's all good. Ah! Beaver walks away, stepping into Wee's tail in the process. Oops. Oh, shoot.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, shoot. Okay, someone stepped on his tail. And now he's like crazy. Whoa. Yo, what? Okay, okay. Where'd the second wind come from? Whoa. Okay, this is... Oh, I got a full combo this. Bro, easy. Boom. And it's her. I forget her name. What was it? Shoot, I forget her name. Huh? What happened to? Ah, I forget her name. She's the chainsaw girl. Crucify, you know, like, I know her. Where do we go? Hey, what the heck do you think you're doing here? None. Huh? You got any bullets in that gun of yours? Sadly, no. I think I ran out when I was trying to shoo away a pea. Brig.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize she was so tall. Oh, she got health drain. Okay. Dang. Whoa. Did she originate from this mod? I don't know. I've seen her before in other mods, like in Mid-Fight Masses. But I actually don't know where she originated. Is she an original in this mod? Yo, T gets scared when she sings. Adorable. You think that'll stop me? I did miss, dang. I didn't know she was Japanese. God. Yeah, this repeat again. You think doing this for the third time is gonna stop me? You're just honing my skills. Yeah, boom, easy. Mic drop. Yo, that laughing animation is awesome. Oh yeah, she's scared. She doesn't talk, apparently. Except in Japanese. Oh, well, that wasn't so bad after all. It seems like you're all bark and no bite. You will meet God.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, see, Crucify. This is the song everyone knows. Is this where it originates? Yeah, like everyone knows this song. I guess, is this the original mod? I never knew the original mod. It must be this one. Yo. Yo, where'd T go? lot of charts. Ooh. Easy win, bro. All I think is Yuri for some reason. That's just because of Doki Doki Takeover. Oh yeah, I won't be seeing God. What is wrong with people on this planet? Hey, listen to me. I get this kind of feeling you're some kind of religious nut. Okay, maybe we got off on the wrong hand. Yeah, I don't think they can understand you, Fever. I mean, seems like you're pretty abundant on bringing me to heaven? But before you do anything, you might regret. How about I take you to meet God with me? They're so happy. What? I've never seen happy crucify girl. Did she stop? I can't believe that worked. Looks like my big brain saved our asses again. Okay, but what are you gonna do now? They're just staring. It's creepy. Well, they just want to meet God, right? I got some kind of idea. What are they gonna... Okay, hold on. Let me go to week 2 again.
I'm back on my bull again.
What's minus? No, not easy.
3, 2,
Aw, man. I'm back on my bull again, huh?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, we got something different for minus. You know what? I've never actually played the minus mod. I need to play the minus mod, bro. Yo, this looks insane. Yo, Chainsaw Nun Girl as a minus is awesome. Bro. Got the build up. Ready for the drop. Yeah. Funky. She looks like some kind of furnace of some sort.
so fucking. Holy shit, you're tall. Holy shit, you're tall.
What?
Holy shit, you're tall. This guy's the shit. I'm so fucking scared right now. I'm so fucking. My throat really hurts, actually.
Proves you can make a song out of anything. We got week 2.5.
Again, huh? Hold, let me record this.
Okay. Well, this is it. This is the Fever Town Church. Hey, I never said it would be pretty. This place is creeping me out. Feels like someone's watching us. Well, we are in the presence of God. Speaking of, are you a demon? Should you be burning this place alive or something? You'd be surprised how many demons choose to have God who they follow. Oh. I don't really understand it, but I guess this place is really not the judge. That's the church for you. Question mark. This place has been run down for a long time. When I first came to Fever Town, it was an empty, abandoned building where ghosts in the halls, and I have no idea why I stayed. But it did. But after some cleaning up, some more people came and let me stay back. It was barely as pretty as it is now. Kind of miss those days. So it was a reason for you coming to a random spot in the middle of nowhere. It's a long story. Weird too. Yeah, I'm beginning to realize this, that's common here. Happy again, yay! See, I knew she'd like this place. Oh sure. What's there to like? You have plenty of company here too. Like the roaches over there, and that one, the bird carcass. You know, when she isn't yelling about sending us to the front gates, she's pretty cute in a way. I agree with that. Oh, did she not like that? Okay, I take it back. Oh, you can't take something back like that. Oh, hey, he just wants to sing some more. You got that from her expression? And why are you so calm about this? I mean, I had a feeling it wasn't that bad when we sang earlier. She tried to slice you in half. Babe, I'm a demon. Stuff like that's normal for us. People hunting down us, I mean. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'll pick something nice. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, what a mud shirt. Oh, God. Okay, I got that. She's still scared even though she's nice. Oh, God. I missed once. I swear I can do mod charts, guys. Oh, she's still got health drain. Bro, she's still pretty intimidating for being nice and cute and all. Solo. Okay. I'm not paying attention. I missed. Yo, she has a nice chromatics. I like it. Nice voice. Revving that chainsaw. Ooh. Yo, calm down. Okay. Yo, blood. Whoa, she's trying to get it. She's trying to kill us? Or not? I can never tell with her. Okay. Yo, this is kind of powerful. Man, I really dug your flow. How'd you manage to keep such a steady voice while holding a chainsaw? Yeah, I figured that. So, you're just gonna leave her here? Why not? It's obvious she'll do a lot more good here than terrifying random people from some far-off building. What do you say, I never got your name. Taki. My name's Taki. Okay, well now I know their name. Let's see if I can remember it. Sav, Ruv, Taki. Great. Don't forget to love her. And her sister was Stacey. Anyway. Oh, shoot. I did not like that. Yeah. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Anyways. You want the church? Wait, you're just gonna give her the whole church? Yeah, why not? If she could take it from me. Oh, shoot. Challenge. She loves it. You still don't like the feel of this. I still don't like the feel of this. Things should be okay. You know, Takis, you aren't that bad, honestly. Oh, how adorable. I love that picture. Whoa, Warden. The song has some special effects, include small brief patterns of flashlight. Okay. Yo, this is a bop. This sounds amazing. Yo, I love the, what's it called? Choir? Yeah, sounds amazing. Yeah. This is a dope song. And then I ruin it with my voice. Ooh, black and... Where have I heard this? Oh god. Is it a Hatsune Miku song? No, wait. No, this is Bad Apple. Oh my god, it's Bad Apple. This is hilarious. Yo, bro, Bad Apple, really? Oh my god, this is hilarious. I love Bad Apple. That's so funny. I've seen so many memes of Bad Apple. It threw me off. Yeah, of course, bro. Yeah. Yeah, see this? Hear that? That's why I thought it was Hatsune Miku. But I got confused because it's like another Vocaloid type thing. Good song. Whoa. Powerful. Huh. Oh, shoot, adding a spin on it. Did I really miss? I did. Yo, it's still going. It's still going.
Taki, we officially welcome you to Beavertown Church.
Oh, is that what he sounds like? I might have to change my voice. Maybe. Hold on. Yo, hold on. They got costumes? Let me check this out. Oh, of course they're all locked, bro. Oh, no, we got this. A maid outfit. We got Skelly.
Let me record this.
Fever, Caesar, Tanner, and then Classic. There's actually a lot of sprites, my god. Oh, wait, hold on, there. Achievements. Okay, wait, hold on. I'll have to check this out later. I'm gonna have to take a break. I'm gonna do a two-parter because I was told a while back when I made my 2.5-hour mod video, my, what was it, Friday Night fucking Mixed Universe mod. It was a 2.5-hour mod, and I was told it's better to make a two-parter than to do a full 2.5-hour video. So I'm gonna take a break from this mod, and I will play a second part, and it'll be a two-part series. And if you don't like that, and I should have played in one play, let me know in the comments, because the reason I'm doing it is because someone commented it's better to do 2 parts, and if someone rebuttals that and says no, do it in 1 part, I'll do what they say. We'll see which one does better, because so far my Mixed Universe has like, I don't know, 50 views or whatever. Anyway, see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh man. This is a good one. It's a good video.
Let me record this.
I don't know.
Caesar, is this a... Yeah, I got... Okay.
I'm gonna end this on the drop. Bye.